Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to look at widgets and how to use them to quickly create some very cool looking pages in your page builder. So let's get started. First things first, we need to install widgets. We can do that by navigating to the block store, opening up the widgets segment and grabbing a widgets kit. Either one that's been developed for you or grab the Betty Blocks neutral kit just like I've done. Open up the kit, press install block and install it into your application. Once it's been installed into your application, make sure to open up the app and open up one of your pages, preferably a page that you haven't touched yet or a new page, so one that starts from scratch. Let's navigate to pages, and within pages on the left hand side, unless you have had your components open, you can see a new tab or the tab called widgets. Very cool, because this is where the real magic happens. Widgets are basically a group of components set up within a sleeve to speed up your application development. So let's look at some of the widgets that we have available. First, we have some page examples, fully designed pages using widgets that you can drag onto your canvas, and voila, you immediately have a fully built page. There are also some page structure widgets. These are used to structure your page, such as a header and footer, side menu, a top bar menu, you name it. There are some wonderful options for everyone in there. Some layout widgets allowing you to set up, a one column layout, two column layouts, different sizes of layouts without having to go over changing all the options in your layout components. There are some navigation widgets for different types of menus, steppers, tabs, buttons, and some content widgets. These are used to fill in the topic of your page. Think of a hero banner to present your page in a wonderfully awesome manner with an image at the top of your page, a paragraph, some titles, some text widgets. Look through them and drag them onto your canvas to see what you can use for your use cases. And last but not least, the cart widgets. In the previous, a little while ago, we used to have the cart component, but it was actually the ideal widget because it is a bunch of components grouped together to form a feature that you can use over and over. And that's exactly what we can do with widgets. So let's look at one of these first items. I am going to grab the client detail page as a page example, drag it onto my canvas, and we immediately have a full page available. Here you can see that this page has been built up with widgets, and there are some empty columns that we can drag some information into. So let's grab a hero side to side, drag it into the column, and we immediately have a page that already feels like it has some nice look and feel to it. This might not immediately say this is my page or touch the topic of my page, but this is just showing you how fast you can already have some neat looking results on your page. Make sure to press the compile button, press the play button in the top left corner, and once the page is loaded in, our new live, very quickly built page shows with some information. You only have to change the text and you are ready to go. A page up and running in a few minutes time.